Write 5x squared minus 2x plus 18 over x minus 1 x squared plus 6 in the form a over x minus 1 plus bx plus c over x squared plus 6. Hence find the integral of 5x squared minus 2x plus 18 over x minus 1 x squared plus 6 dx. So, we have 5x squared minus 2x plus 18 over x minus 1 x squared plus 6. And we're saying that that is identical to a over x minus 1, which is how we deal with the linear factor, plus bx plus c over x squared plus 6, which is how we deal with the quadratic factor. And just like last time, we're going to go clear of fractions, which means multiplying both sides by x minus 1, x squared plus 6. If we do that on the left-hand side, we get 5x squared minus 2x plus 18. On the right-hand side, think about multiplying by the a over x minus 1. The x minus 1's would cancel, leaving us with a x squared plus 6. For the other term, the bx plus c ends up being multiplied by x minus 1. Now, we can find a by using x equals 1. So that would give us 5 plus 18, which is 23, take away 2, which is 21. And then the first term, this term here, would give us 1 plus 6, 7. 7a tells me that a is equal to 3. Note the x equals 1 would make the whole of this term 0. Now, we could then look at coefficients of x squared. On the left, we have 5. Here, we would have ax squared, and we know that a is 3. And here, we would have bx squared. So that tells me that b is equal to 2. And then we could do anything from there. We've got a and b, we just want c. Could be an idea just to look at the constant terms. So on the left we've got 18. Over here we would have 6 times a, but a is equal to 3. And so that would be 18. And then we've got take away c. Well, that tells me that c is equal to 0. And therefore, what we have is 3 over x minus 1 plus 2x over x squared plus 6. And that is our decomposed form. Now, if we want to integrate 5x squared minus 2x plus 18 over x minus 1 x squared plus 6, that means that we could integrate 3 over x minus 1 plus 2x over x squared plus 6. That gives me 3 ln mod x minus 1. And note here the top is the differential of the bottom. So we're going to get ln x squared plus 6. X squared plus 6 can't be 0 or negative, so you don't really need the modulus, but I'll use it anyway, and plus a constant.